Memphis style barbecue. We're gonna give it a try from the Dollar Tree. $1.25. Woo-ha! Season our chicken today with it. Let's get the top off. I already pulled off the protective. Oops, that's the wrong end. There we go. That would have been a little bit too much. Woo, comes out fast. Woo, child, it's gonna be fun. All ready to go in the oven. 475. Checking out our salt grinder from the Dollar Tree. Got this for $1.25 because it's no longer the Dollar Tree. Got to get this out of here first. Well wrapped. Take off the top. Looks like a ceramic grinder, which is nice to have. Let's see how well it grinds. Kind of coarse, but for $1.25 doesn't look too bad. That's definitely coarse salt. Time to check out the pepper grinder for $1.25. Let's get that on screen. Take that off. Of all the times to cut my nails, I should have, well, actually I still got some length to them. Oh, does the label come off too? Oh, that's kind of cute, huh? Nice plastic. Take the top off, if I can get it off. There we go. Pops off. Another ceramic grinder. Doesn't go straight down. I do like black pepper on my food, lots of it. There's no way to adjust this, which isn't too bad. This is an acceptable grind. It's not too coarse and it's not too fine. I give these a thumbs up. Yay! And that is our accoutrements. Now time to get the chicken out of the oven. Yay! It's been cooking 475 for half an hour. One word to the wise about chicken and anything as far as the oven goes. Always check the temperature. It's got to be at least 165, 170, that works. We have an acceptable temperature. Which one looks good to eat? That Memphis barbecue tastes pretty good. We'll take this one, put it up here. Always use pot gloves with hot food. All right, pot gloves, hot food. There we go. Time to test it out, see how well it tastes. Take that fork out of there. Try to do this well. Nah, cut that one in half. That's a little bit too big for me. Has that Memphis on there. And here we go. Yummy! That's delicious. Yum. Memphis style barbecue sauce. I give it a thumbs up. Delicious. Yum. Only $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. What does it have in it? It's got salt, cayenne pepper, monosodium, glutamate, garlic, chili powder, black pepper, onion, ground celery, extract of paprika. Yummy. This is delicious. And one more bite. Let's flip. Memphis style barbecue sauce. Mmm. That's delicious. Wish you were here. Love you. Bye-bye.